On your table, for each person, there should be one pair of goggles. One goggle for each person. Here is why you will wear goggles. We are going to be, y'all can smell that wonderful aroma, okay? That wonderful aroma is from a liquid called Salol, and it's liquid because it's super hot. It's melted right now. A while back, when someone was using Salol and accidentally spilled it on their table, and it splashed up and did this on their goggles. It was liquid when it hit the goggles, but it was liquid because it was very, very hot. Imagine if this were your face.
Tilt it up a little bit. I can't. Oh, there you go. I saw the light hit it.
So wear your goggles, please. This is why we wear the goggles.
Brandon wants a bodysuit.
Okay, so if you will turn to your hand, turn in your hand out. The page that says Crystal Sizes and Igneous Rocks Investigation. In this investigation, we will determine how the cooling rate of the Salol affects crystal growth, or how the cooling rate of the magma affects the crystal growth size in igneous rocks. Now, we're gonna deviate from the instructions just a little bit. So I'm gonna go through the procedures, and you can make notes in your procedures that are going to be different. Number one, divide a piece of paper towel into 3 sections that are labeled A, B, and C. You can just make a note on your table. We're going to give you 3 Petri dishes. The first one is A, the second one is B, the second one is C. Okay, yeah, that one. We have melted Salol in the back, and we will bring it to you. And so this is, we're going to be carrying around this super hot Salol, and that's why we need everything clear. We're going to give you 3 different Petri dishes, one at a time. One of them is going to be a Petri dish that's been sitting in an ice bath. One has been sitting in boiling water, and the other one is at room temperature. So we're going to pour the Salol into these 3 Petri dishes that are at 3 different temperatures. And you are going to observe the time from the pouring of the Salol to the time it takes for the first crystal to form. So someone is going to need to time. If you wanted, you could also time from the first crystal form to the last crystal form. So you just time as you want to, but the main thing is till the first crystal forms. While we're doing all this, you need to be very careful not to bang on the table and vibrate, so that Petri dish rests undisturbed throughout the whole thing. If you have your smart scopes, you can put your smart scopes over it and video it if you want, or look at it on your iPads or phones. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory. The first temperature that we are going to use, let me see, look here. Are y'all ready to start? Okay, the first one that we're going to do. Let's do the cold water bath first. Are you ready? What's the show? Oh.
Better eyes. Better eyes. 8
degrees Celsius is your first sample A. 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, while we're doing this, I'm going to ask that y'all two sit down, because I am not, my name is not Grace. Are you ready?
Grace.
You want me to put introduce them directly?
I'm gonna hold this a little like that way.
Okay, you turn it around.
Move it like that way. So you're raising it like this. Sure. What?
No, but like, it has to celebrate the traditions.
Okay.
Bars. Yes.
You guys ready for A? So you don't knock it off, or you want A? Or
Oh, yeah, but we'll just go around. And when
Okay, get your timers ready and start timing when I pour.
wait, sorry, I didn't know. Timer.
I'm gonna get started.
Oh, how are we supposed to do our scope? Can I touch that thing?
We're holding it over it.
Ma'am, just 1 second.
Yeah, but I didn't know if it was gonna be
Is it
hot.
gonna mess up your stuff though?
5 seconds.
It shouldn't be, it was just water on the bottom.
12 seconds and counting.
Push record,
No, I know that.
what am I looking for? Push record Elizabeth or something. What are we looking for though?
30 seconds and counting.
I would have left it out of the uniforms. Because it was already ready.
Alright, I'm
Looking for something to change?
I don't know.
I don't know what it's gonna
5
look like.
seconds and counting.
It's too high. Yeah. No, just crystal gold.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's why we didn't have to do it on paper. That's for crystal gold.
Okay, Dell is studying.
I don't know.
Maybe that white thing, is that always there?
So sample A,
I don't
the
know.
temperature was 8 degrees Celsius. That was the petri dish.
It's easier to tell without.
Are the crystals gonna form
I
at
was
the
just trying to
probably first?
What do you think?
Well, that's where an interaction or, I know that if I were to scratch it,
So this liquid is hot. And we'll
Yes.
put it
see
in
the
a
bottom since it's wet.
You wanna see how long it takes for it to like magma or rock.
See if you can flip this thing around.
Lake or something. Air bubble, single. This is single. 2 minutes.
Can you put some, put this thing on here to make it heavy.
I'm not.